What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today, we're about to go do some fishing, heading to a lake not far from where I am right now. I just spent the night here at camp. Now, this little camp has been in my family for a long time, since before I was born. My dad and his best friend actually built this thing like 35 years ago. Might not look like much, but it is rock solid, and it's a pretty awesome little place to stay. Honestly, don't know why I haven't made any content around this place, because, I mean, I have like a little bit, but nothing crazy, because this place is honestly pretty freaking awesome. It's in the middle of nowhere, just to get here. Like, I don't have service like the entire like hour and 40-minute drive into here, pretty much. This thing's just generator ran, and it has a couple wood burners in there, so no real power other than when you bring a generator, obviously. I get the best sleep of my life when I stay here. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing some more content around this place, you know, maybe like some survival type videos. Might come out here in the winter. I think it'd be cool if you guys want to see some stuff like that. Comment below, let me know if you want to see me spend like the winter in this thing or something like that, or just, you know, some survivor style videos, some homesteading type videos. Let me know, comment below. But all right, other than that, about to hop in the truck. We're gonna go kayak fishing to a lake not far from here, and hopefully catch some really big bass, maybe some crappie. Should be a good one. Stay tuned. So there's like 4 other guys here bass fishing, and they were here before me, and this isn't that big of a lake, so I'm assuming they probably already pretty much pounded everything. So we're gonna keep at it though. We're gonna try and get a nice bass, but if it's just not working out because of the pressure, probably gonna set up, try for some crappie, and see how that goes. Regardless, we're gonna full send it. It's a beautiful day, early fall day. Leaves are just starting to turn. Oh, I think I found the crappie already. That was quick. The bass don't cooperate. We're gonna have some fun with these guys, I think. Might keep a couple, but we're not gonna keep the first one. Later, buddy. That was fun. He freaking slammed it. So I'm eventually just gonna like brush clip to this stuff, especially if the fish are in here good, but I want to fish the edges of it first, just to make sure. Because I'm probably gonna spook it when I go in there. Damn. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big crappie. Come on. Yeah. That's a pretty good one there. Heck yeah. Slammed it. I don't know, it's about a 12-incher. Heck yeah. That's number 2. Might start keeping some of these, but I don't know. We'll see. Bite hasn't been crazy, but been cool. That last one had me wrapped around the tree. Thought it was going to be huge for a second. There we go. Just moved down to the next tree and changed the color. Another one, smack it. Another solid one. No, just got a little bass. I will take it, I guess. Probably gonna start bass fishing here soon anyway. And he was on there like as soon as it hit the water. Oh, what was that? There's no way, bro. Just had a nice crappie come up. I watched him eat it. That's cool. It's probably the biggest one, maybe. Oh my. Heck yeah, that's a pretty good one. I watched him eat. I thought it was a bass for a second. He looked pretty big. Barely hooked. Well, I just hooked him good now, but he was barely hooked. That's not a bad one. Just chilling on a tiny little branch in there. That's pretty cool. There might be more in there, but we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. That was cool. That was a good fight. I mean, we're not doing bad. We've caught some crappie. I've caught a lot off camera too. I were little, so I didn't even bother turning the camera on, but it hasn't been a bad morning, especially for getting out here late. I do want to try and get a nice bass for the day's over, but I'm having fun with these crappie, I ain't even gonna lie. Just had our first bass that we were actually targeting. He freaking slammed it, man. Just switched batteries so I didn't have the camera on. He hit it so hard. I thought he was gonna be big. Ferocious little dude. Later, man. That's funny. Just a standard flipping jig. Got the Cascade slug bug on there. He freaking hammered it. Hopefully we can find a bigger one. That one. Little guy, but we'll take it. The bass have not been big. The crappie have actually been much bigger than the bass. Little dude. Switched to the wacky because nothing was interested in the chatterbait. And that's the problem with the wacky though, is you're gonna catch small fish a lot of times. Well guys, I know this was kind of a shorter video, but I had a good time out there. I caught some pretty good crappie. The bite really wasn't on. Things haven't really set into the fall pattern yet. It's just been pretty warm and you know, it's starting to cool off a little bit now, but things just haven't really set into that true fall pattern. So, you know, it was still a pretty solid day of fishing. When I say day, I was actually only out there for probably 3.5, 4 hours. So caught some nice crappie. There's definitely a ton of quality crappie in that lake. I've had some really good, like, you know, 60, 70 fish days. So definitely wasn't fishing, you know, as good as that lake could have. And the pressure though, too. This is why I typically don't fish weekends, because especially these smaller lakes, they get a lot of pressure on the weekend, and like that kind of messed things up. Definitely had the bass shut down. You know, I typically try to avoid people when I'm fishing, not necessarily just because the fishing is affected by the pressure, just because I just like kind of doing my own thing, and I want to be out away from stuff. I don't want to see a ton of people. But like I said, guys, I'm going to be creating a lot more content around the cabin. Probably going to be staying there a lot more. Going to be doing some survival type videos and stuff, and like, you know, just showing off the cabin and showing off the property around there, because it is a really cool and really incredible place. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that, and I want you guys to comment below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see around the cabin, or if you even want to see any content around the cabin. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just gonna have fun with it. Really not sure why I haven't made content around it already, but yeah, I don't know. But that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.